Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the 310 Swedish Words video!
Brick. It means a dot. Gift. It means to be married. Bartender. It's the Swedish word for speed bump. Lagom. It means just enough. Fuck. It means the union or a tray where you put your papers inside. Kakalaka is the fancy word for cockroach. Yugabar. It doesn't mean earthmen, it means strawberries. Now you know. Bicycle. It means poop sausage. Slut. It means the end. And sex. It means the number 6, and that's how you do it when you try to learn Swedish.
Hey guys, so here we are, 310 Swedish Words videos, going back many years now, and never in my wildest dream did I think that I would reach, a number like this. I was like, maybe I'll do 10. But thank you so much for taking an interest in what I do and how I present Sweden, Swedish, and Swedishness. It's weird you're watching me on the internet. I'm Swedish with blue eyes. I'm from the south of Sweden. And yeah, I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. Here's a couple of snippets from the past, 300 videos and back. Did you see her walk in? No, I was blundade.
Oh god, that smell!
To get the cheese slice, put in a sandwich real good. This video is about Spanish sex expressions. Rain begins to fall. Ooh, chilly. And Mona is a celestial body that orbits another body coming from in the moon.
People!
Tour de Eiffeltornet. Who's that guy with the camera? He's a potential arsonist? No, natten hade fallit.
I feel a bit naked since I've been undressed so many times.